Let's cook my gluten-free Yorkshire Pudding Burrito. So if you want to eat something flipping amazing, then this gluten-free Yorkshire Pudding Burrito is the way to go. Now, I used to sell these on my food truck and they used to fly out the door. And even if you're not gluten-free or dairy-free, because these are actually dairy-free as well, then just use normal crap. You know, there's no point to get all stressed out because it's gluten-free. Friggin' hell, it'll be crap. No, it's not. It's absolutely bloody awesome. Also, you don't have to do the fillings that I've done. Recipes in the description. You can stick whatever bloody fillings you want in. Even curry and rice would go marvellously in these and would be absolutely friggin' amazing. So, you know, you can go wild with your imagination. So, I've made the stuffing, gluten-free stuffing as well. Recipes on my website, on my platforms and all that crap. The Yorkshire puddings, 6 eggs, 300 ml of milk. Semi-skim high-low milk tends to be the better. Or almond milk. These were made with almond milk, and I've got to say, the delightest, fluffiest that I've ever bloody done. Nice big tray, stick it all in. Nice banging heat. So you want the oven on the highest temp you can get. Little tip to get your oil heated up quicker. Use a pan and do it on the stove top, and then whack it in, and then until it starts smoking, bring the bloody thing out and stick the bloody batter in. And then just load them up like this. Look at that. That beef brisket is to die for. Nice and easy. Recipes on the website, recipes on the platform and all that crap. This is how you roll them. Now, they do take a bit of rolling. I ain't going to bullshit you. But they do roll marvellously. If you want to stick a nice sauce on the top, Gaza sauce, it's Korean sauce, goes well. I made a nice red wine gravy here. Any gravy, whatever you want. Curry sauce, like I say. Do curry and rice and whack a curry sauce. And then stick it in your gob and eat it.